What's going on, guys? It's day 2 of the Drift Matsuri. We're back. It's already so hot. The first session's gone out. We'll be going out soon. And man, I tell you what, the cars are probably going to struggle once again today, although Dave's car seems to just keep going and going and going. So I think we have a very, very slight head gasket issue because we're seeing very minor bubbles in the radiator. So what we're going to do, perfect timing for an experiment. We have an egg, we have some pepper, and rumour has it that crack an egg into the radiator, egg whites and pepper, and it'll cure a minor head gasket leak. So we're going to do a bit of a science experiment today to see whether that's actually true. But the car itself is running really well. Like, started no problems first thing. So we just had an issue yesterday where everything in the car completely shut off, which was super weird. So I don't know really what was going on there, but I checked the fuel pump, that's all good. Everything else seems to be good. We've fixed the handbrake, which I'm stoked about. So today, hopefully, we'll just get a bunch of seat parts. So let's see if we can put egg and pepper into this radiator and fix this thing. We do weird stuff. Woo! So we're gonna chuck the pepper and the egg in. Egg white, you gotta leave the yolk out, okay? Eat that. It's good protein, but don't put it in your car. Cars don't like it. So basically making breakfast. So what you want in your breakfast, you want a good hearty egg, and you want some pepper with that. Yeah, she loves the powder. Now you'll crack that. There's a little trick just to get the egg whites, okay? Split it. No, that's not the right way to do it. Okay, we're putting the whole thing in. Going in. That's why I wasn't a chef. And hopefully that fixes the problem. We're about to go out for our first run, so cross your fingers for us. You ready? Get your finger out of your nose, we're going drifting. Let's go! Alright, best session of the whole weekend.
Easy.
Everything worked out. That was so sick. Sorry for pushing you off the track.
That's right. That's fine.
Jesus. Oh, that was amazing. Yeah, temperature stayed good. No cutting out. It was freaking sick. Oh man, that makes the whole weekend worth it. We're going to bang on some more tyres. We're going to go back out. More driving, please. Thank you. Bye. So we've had a bit of a development. Formula Drift driver Matt Vankirk is here over from America. He has had massive troubles with the car he was supposed to be driving, so he hasn't had a chance to go out and track all day, or all weekend in fact. So we've given him Dave's E36. We're going to go out and shred with him right now. We've got Team Drift. He's never driven this car ever before. I don't even know if he's driven an E36 before. We're going out for Team Drift together, and then afterwards we're going to go for some tandems. This is rad. Let's do this. We just had Team Drift, a little bit crazy, shit got real. My car survived even though we almost died in one of the crashes, but I think the head gasket is very, very blown now, so we're just going to go out and send it. Driving with Matt Vankirk.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey!
We're ripping some doors. Let's do it.
I'm so keen, man. What's an Australian saying you've learnt while you're here?
Oh, there's a lot.
She'll be right?
Yeah, she be right.
She'll be right, bro.
I learned what bogans are. I had a Parma.
You had a palmy?
Yeah, those are good.
We're going to send it. Let's fucking go! Woo! Alright guys, time to wrap up the video there. My fuel pump died, unfortunately. I should have stayed with the stock fuel pump, but I put the Wallbro in. One event it lasted and it was cooked, so we've got 3 weeks until we're doing the LMLZ event, so 3 weeks to get this car good again. But driving with an FD driver, how was it?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. Really puts me to shame.
Well, yeah, here's an FD driver, but yeah, it was sick. Mad event. We got the car going, we got some good laps in, so yeah, hard work pays off. But follow me on Instagram, @It'sMikeBlake. Woo!